All right, guys. Good morning to you all, and I hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. All right, today I just want to show you guys just a quick way that I'm using to make money online and how you can make money online using this. This is going to be around arbitrage. I'm a Nigerian, by the way, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy dollar at a very cheap price, price ranging between 420 naira per dollar to 425 naira per dollar. Now, once you buy this, you can the choice is yours. You can decide to sell this at secondary markets such as maybe on Binance P2P and other P2P platform that you will sell this high. So quickly, I'm just going to show you guys what are the potentials here. All right, so and I'll just with that I'll pull up my calculator. Now if you watch, you will see on my calculator I'm always doing calculations about this because I am currently doing this every time. So let's take for an instance that I want to buy US dollar worth of $200. All right, so I want to buy US dollar at $200, and I want to buy out $200 worth of USDT, all right, or US dollar now, and I want to pay in naira. Now, most of you, if you're in Nigeria, you know that Nigerian bank have absolute and CBN have cancelled all forms of online banking or transaction using your card. Before, we had the opportunity of we buying or making transaction using our Mastercard, Naira Mastercard, but now even that have been discontinued. So many of you might be having the same issue. So now we are going to be buying this dollar, and the way we are doing it is that we are going to be making bank transfer to this company. The company is a well-established company. All right, so you are not doing this transaction with any P2P person. Only when you want to sell your dollar, then you'll be doing transaction with P2P people. But for you to buy the dollar first, which enables you to pay in naira, you are doing this transaction with the company. So the chance of you losing your money is zero. So you're gonna make your money. So let's say, for example, now if I'm using $200 and I want to buy, and I'm buying dollar at four. Let's look at four. Okay, let's still look at 440. Okay, so we are buying, let's say we're buying $1 at 424 naira. So we are going to be spending around 84,800 naira. So imagine if we are buying this at 84, we are spending 84,800 naira to get 200 US dollar, and in return we go to Binance P2P. This is Binance P2P, by the way. All right, so now if you are selling USDT, okay, if you are new to this, USDT and US dollar, they basically have the same value, and you can see right here that one US dollar or one USDT is worth 690 naira as I'm making this video. All right, so this might change, but typically the price ranges between 685 to 690 to even 700. So imagine if we're selling this now. Okay, let's say when you start doing this, you are selling your $200 that you bought. Okay, you are selling it at let's say 685. Let's just be conservative. Okay, let's say we are selling at 685. So you will still be making 137,000 naira. Now know that what you are selling is $200, and what is your initial investment on this? You will not say this amount they are selling now minus 84,800. All right, so that will give you a net profit of 52,200. All right, you can see people are joining my group. So this will give you a net profit of 52,200. Now, this rate might fluctuate, but remember, we are not even using the maximum rate, which is 690. We just make use of 685, and yet we are still making about 50,000 naira profit from an investment of just what 84,000. Now this is absolute insane. All right, so now this if you want to learn how this is done, I'm going to show you guys the platform I use. If you want to learn how this is done, all right, so you need to join my group, you need to join my Telegram group, because currently I am hosting a free online trading course for everybody. It's free for all members of my community. So I teach them this. This was one of my secret arsenals that I use. Many of my friends have been asking me, please show us this. And so for the first time, I'm deciding that I'm going to review this, not just to them, to everybody, if so that everybody can earn together. If they want to block it after everybody start earning, that is their business. But I believe that people on the group, on our mentorship, should be able to have made for themselves millions before, even, because I don't think this can ever be blocked, because what we are going to be doing is doing online transactions, just like you transferring money from one Nigerian bank account to another Nigerian bank. So they can never stop it. So for you to benefit this, you need to join my Telegram group. All right, the link will be in the description of this video, or you just see there will be a sign or a button that will tell you. If you're watching this on YouTube, a button that will take you to our Telegram. You just click sign up, join. But now, one thing I need to let you guys know is this. All right, before I show you guys the platform, all right, so one thing I need you guys to know is this. If you join the group, attend the live trainings. These rare opportunities and strategies, I only review them on our live trainings. All right, so the platform is for you guys to learn how to trade using cryptocurrency and how to make profit from it. And I'm including this strategy, that is this arbitrage strategy for you guys, and you can only learn it when we are live. All right, so we host trainings weekends so that nobody will miss it. We host our trainings weekends. So guys, if you're interested, click the link in this video description and join the Telegram group and learn for free. Nobody is charging you money. Nobody will collect money from you. If anybody comes to you telling you that pay this, that is coming from us, pay this and you get this, we are not charging anybody money. It is a free knowledge we are giving to the community members for them to continue earning massively in this recession that we find ourselves. All right, so now I'll just take you guys to the platform. Now this is one of the one I wanted to do. You can see this was me trying to pay $200, and you can see they're telling me that what I will need to pay is 84,790 something. But let me just show you guys how I do this. Okay, so I will come in here. All right, so this is the platform. You can deposit using different. You can deposit using your MasterCard. All right, so that is if you have a dollar MasterCard, you can use it. You can deposit with dollar, any other one. You can deposit with even cryptocurrencies on this platform. You can deposit with cryptocurrency, but the one we are interested in using is the deposit of bank transfer. All right, so we're going to be depositing using bank transfer. When we click on bank transfer, all right, so we have some options with our bank transfer. All right, so guys, you can see as we come in here, all right, so our bank transfer, we'll just click, you just select maybe $200, whatever amount of money you want to select, you can just put it there. So I'm going to choose $200 and I will just click on proceed. All right, so when I click on proceed, it will take me to where I will make the payment. Now it's bringing me to where I will make the payment. So it's going to show me how much I will pay in Naira. All right, so and once you can see now, it's showing me that I will pay 84,797 naira. All right, so this is what I will pay to them into their account. Now they make use of Wema Bank. All right, so they will make use of Wema Bank. You will give you a virtual Wema Bank account that you will make transfer to. So once you make the transfer to that, and they will credit the equivalent in dollar to you, which is going to be, in this case, which is going to be $200. And now you can see here, I'll just put in my bank BVN number, my last name. But because of the issues, I don't know who is watching this, and I don't want my information going out there. So I won't be putting this live. All right, so I will be doing the live demonstration during our live trainings where you guys can be able to learn and see how I'm doing this. All right, so now once I pay in this amount, I will receive my $200. Now I can go to Binance here. I can go to Binance, and now this is Binance P2P. As you guys can see, this Binance P2P, you can see the current price of one US dollar to naira is 690. All right, it's 690. So if we are doing this, you will be earning quite a lot of money from it. Now, many of you might be asking, am I doing this, or is it just for me to try to say to get people to join a group? No, I am doing this. And look, if I click on the concluded transactions on the P2P and I select on complete. Now, if I select on complete, you will see that I'm doing this in massive volumes. You see sell of 600 something thousand naira, sell of 700 something thousand naira, sell of all of this dating between last month and this month. You can see 600 something thousand naira. This is 300 something thousand naira, 300. If you keep going down, you will see transactions upon transactions. There are so many, and this is one of my accounts that I use. All right, so this is one of my accounts. So guys, if you're interested in this, it's a free knowledge we are giving to everybody free of charge. All right, so join the group, attend the trainings, compulsory attend the trainings, because it's in those trainings that you will get all these secrets. All right, for you guys that will be joining, we are going to have lists of our previous trainings. You can go through them. All right, watch them, get yourself used to the platform, get yourself comfortable with trading cryptocurrency, because that is the medium we're going to be using to show you how to do this arbitrage for you to earn money. All right, so guys, have a great day, and I wish you all the best. See you guys on the Telegram group. Thank you, and have a wonderful